When I go camping, I take my tent, my sleeping bag, a chair, my backpack, my binoculars, a lantern, matches to make a fire so that I can roast marshmallows. I take my cell phone, a compass, a flashlight, and bikes for a nice ride in the afternoon sun. Camping Out, written by Heather Amery. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boots the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam and a dog called Rusty. A car stops at the gate. A man, a woman, and a boy get out. "Hello," says the man. "May we camp on your farm?" "Yes, you can camp over there. We'll show you the way," says Mr. Boot. The campers follow in their car. The campers put up their tent. Poppy and Sam help them. They take chairs, a table, and a cooking stove, and food out of the car. Then they all go to the farmhouse. Mrs. Boot gives the campers a bucket of water and some milk. Poppy and Sam bring some eggs. "Can we go camping? Please, Dad, can we put our tent up too?" says Poppy. "Oh yes, please, Dad," says Sam. Mr. Boot gets out the tent. Poppy and Sam try to put up the little blue tent, but it keeps falling down. At last, it is ready. "Come and have supper. Then you can go to the tent," says Mrs. Boots, "but you must wash and brush your teeth first." Poppy and Sam go to the tent. "It's not dark yet," says Sam. "Come on, Rusty. You can come camping with us," says Poppy. Poppy and Sam go to bed. They crawl into the tent and tie up the door. Then they wriggle into their sleeping bags. "What's that noise?" Sam sits up. "There's something walking around outside the tent," says Sam. "What is it?" Poppy looks out of the tent. "It's only old Daisy the cow," she says. "She must have strayed into this field. She's so nosy." Daisy looks into the tent. Rusty barks at her. Daisy is scared. She tries to back away, but the tent catches on her head. Daisy pulls at the tent. She pulls it down and runs off with it. Rusty chases her. Poppy and Sam run back to the house. Mr. Boot opens the door. "Hello, Dad," says Sam. "Daisy got our tent. I don't like camping after all," says Poppy. But camping is good. That's the end.